Hey there, home comfort warriors. I'm Bianca Miranda, and welcome to today's episode of HVAC Clarity, Clear Solutions for Home Comfort. Let's talk about finding the best AC installers in Pembroke Pines, Florida. Because let's face it, in the Sunshine State, your AC isn't just nice to have, it's essential. Listen up, folks. I've personally reviewed dozens of HVAC companies in Pembroke Pines, and here's what you really need to know. The installer matters more than the brand. Hold up. That's actually brilliant. Let me break this down for you. Picture this scenario. Even a top-of-the-line system can perform like a clunker if it's not installed properly. And here's where things get spicy. We've seen budget systems outperform luxury units simply because they had better installation. Trust me on this one. Here's your insider secret. When choosing an installer, look for these non-negotiables. NATE certification, clear, itemized quotes, no mystery fees, and solid warranties. Pro tip coming your way, get at least 3 quotes and compare more than just the price tag. Now, let's talk numbers. In Pembroke Pines, you're typically looking at $4,500 to $9,500 for a full installation. Plot twist alert. We tracked a real case where proper installation saved the Rodriguez family $1,200 per year on energy bills. That's not pocket change, folks. Time for some real talk. 96% of Florida homes use AC, and it drives over half of our power demand. But here's what the pros don't want you to know. Up to 35% of installations have service issues that could have been prevented with proper certification and attention to detail. Before we wrap this up, remember this golden nugget. Don't chase the cheapest quote. Chase quality installation, transparent pricing, and certified expertise. Your comfort and wallet will thank you later. This has been Bianca Miranda with HVAC Clarity, Clear Solutions for Home Comfort. Until next time, stay cool and comfortable, Florida. For more insider tips and tricks, head over to hvacclarity.com.